Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. I welcome you all in my class of grammar. Student, is the third video from chapter phrase, and we will complete today this chapter with some exercises, and certainly you will benefit from the exercise and all the rules related to phrases. Today we are going to learn verb phrase. I have already explained you several parts of that, and today I am going to explain you the verb phrase and some exercises. So please, all of you, pay attention. Verb phrase, as I told you, verb phrase. What's verb phrase? Let us learn first verb phrase. A phrase that consists of a helping verb and a main verb is called a verb phrase. For example, I am reading newspaper. Very clear? Here, am reading. You can see here am is helping verb and reading is main verb. So here this is a phrase and that is called verb phrase, which has a helping verb and a main verb. And so this completes a sentence, I am reading newspaper. Children are playing cricket. In this sentence as well, you have here one helping verb, are, and main verb, play. And so, in this sentence, the verb phrase is are playing. Children are playing cricket. She was helping her mother. Was helping. Here is the verb phrase in this sentence. The principal is addressing the students. Here is addressing is the verb phrase. So let us know now the form of verb phrases. A verb phrase consists of a helping verb, that is am, is, are, and a main verb in it. In the continuous form, we are going to mark it. She is singing a song. So in these sentences, are going and is singing. These are verb phrases. Let us see some more here. It consists of a helping verb, has, have, had. These are used as helping verb, and a main verb in past participle form, that is V3 form. Past participle form is V3 form. For example, she has given me an interesting storybook. So has given is here. That is verb phrase. Has helping verb and given main verb. That is in participle form. They had visited the historical place. Here had visited. In this sentence is verb phrase. Ritesh and Rohan have gone to office. In this sentence, have gone is verb phrase, have is helping verb, at the same time gone is main verb in participle form, that is third form. Next is here, verb phrase consists of a helping verb like has, have, had, and plus been. After that will be been. And after that will be main verb in the continuous form. That means ing form. You all know ing form of verb is continuous form. Let us see examples. We have been making project since morning. We have been making project since morning. Have been making. In this sentence is verb phrase. They had been waiting for the train for 2 hours. So here also you have seen had been waiting. Here had been and then waiting in continuous form. That all group makes verb phrase. She has been studying since morning. So in this sentence, has been studying is verb phrase. We have here some more forms. You can see it consists of a modal and a main verb. Modal, you have studied modal. Will, shall, can, could, may, might, etc. So, through example, let us see. They will come soon. Will come is verb phrase. You should obey your parents, teachers. You should obey your teachers. So here, should obey is verb here phrase. She can do this work. She can do this work. So can do is here verb phrase, in which here can is a model, at the same time do is main verb. So in second one, should is a model and obey is main verb. In the first sentence, they will come soon. Will is main here model and come is main verb. So let us proceed and see here the next form. In the passive form, you have already read here active and passive. So in the passive form consists of a forms of helping verbs. We here be form of verb will be there, then have or have been, and a past participle form of verb will be there. So let us see. This letter has been written by you. Has been written is here verb phrase. Was this car bought by your father? So here was and bought will be here, that is verb here phrase. Let us see here, that is here was is here be form of be is here. Was this car bought by your father? So was and bought, this here group in this sentence is verb phrase. Then the function of a verb phrase. You have studied the function of every phrase, verb phrase, that is a prepositional phrase or verb phrase or adjective phrase, noun phrase, in all. So let us know a verb phrase forms. Here verb phrase forms a part of the predicate. She is cooking food. So in this sentence, is cooking food is the verb here phrase, and that is what working like a part of predicate. We were watching television. We are watching television. They are attending the meeting. So in this sentence, are attending the meeting. This forms the part of the predicate and it's a verb phrase. So these were what? Phrases, different kinds of phrases. You read here noun phrase, prepositional phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, no doubt verb phrase. Here we have some exercises, and I include with the chapter as well exercises so that I can explain you and you can do in copy well confidently. Here you see in exercise A, underline the noun phrases in these sentences. You have to underline the noun phrases in these sentences, in these all exercises. Here in the first one, 1 to 8 questions are here, and in all that, which part is here, noun phrase, we have to underline. That I have already done, and you will note down in your copy. So let's see first sentence. The boy wants to go home. Noun phrase in this sentence is the boy. The is here no doubt determiner and the boy. Noun. Both here makes noun phrase. Maria wanted a new bicycle. Here a new bicycle. That is already underlined. You too will underline in your copy. I should hate to do such a thing. So such a thing in this sentence is noun phrase. Horses love to eat oat and sugar. In this sentence, oat and sugar is noun phrase. Why do you like visiting hill station? In this sentence it is visiting hill station is noun phrase. To come late to a function is not good. To come late to a function. This all a group of words makes noun phrase. It is working like a just subject. It is working as a subject in this sentence and it's a noun phrase. To come late to a function is not good. Priya and children are going for picnic. Priya and children. Noun phrase. Her mother wants to speak to the headmaster. So to the headmaster and her mother. Both are here noun phrase in these sentences. Exercise C. B is to do yourself. In the online class, I will explain you how that is to do. And as that can be done in a different way by different students, so that doesn't need any kind of help. I will explain you. C exercise also has the same to do. You have to underline the adjective phrase in these sentences. In exercise A, you have already underlined, we have underlined noun phrase. In this exercise, you have to underline adjective phrase. So let us see. I am too afraid of dogs. I am too afraid of dogs. In this sentence, too afraid of dogs, these group of words are adjective phrase. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend indeed is adjective phrase in this sentence. The woman wore a necklace made of diamonds. Made of diamonds, that is adjective phrase. And I have already explained you in detail what is adjective phrase and how can you identify. The house looks very old and dilapidated. So here, very old and dilapidated is adjective phrase in this sentence. My younger brother is a man of few words. Here, a man of few words, that means here he speaks not much, very little. My younger brother is a man of few words. So in this sentence, a man of few words, this group of words makes adjective phrase. We were able to trap the dirty old mouse. Lala Lajpat Rai was a man with nerves of steel. So a man with nerves of steel is adjective phrase in this sentence. A young lady with a smiling face greeted me at the shop. With a smiling face. So this group of words makes adjective phrase in this sentence. And you must have understood here these adjective phrases in all these sentences. So students, thank you very much for joining, listening and watching the video. And we will have in detail everything, something more in the online class. So thank you students. Thank you all. Thank you very much.